memorize yan? Basic!
Ang Biogesic for Kids, di na kailangan i-shake. Syrup formula na. Para pag may lagnat ang anak, bukas agad, inom agad! Biogesic for Kids. Mas pinagaling, magpagaling versus previous formulation.
Unilab yan.
Paracetamol is the generic name of Biogesic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Madalas nangangasim ang tiyan? Maaring acid yan. Pag may acid, Suprasid. Tandaan, ang United Home Suprasid.
Unilab yan.
Sodium bicarbonate is the generic name of United Home Suprasid. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
United Home.
Ubong di nawawala. May bakterya at virus yan sa baga.
Mag-Sonyux Advance. Magaling maglinis ng lungs. Kaya mabilis magpagaling ng ubo. Sonyux Advance. Now in liquid.
Resolve coffee phlegm in as fast as 3 to 5 days when taken 3 times a day. Carbocysteine plus zinc is the generic name of Solmux Advance. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Masakit ang ulo ko.
Greg, may work pa. I-Biogesic mo na yan.
Gamot agad? Baka may side effects.
Iba ang Biogesic. Most doctor-prescribed brand sa sakit ng ulo at lagnat.
Maingat nga.
Jody Santa Maria po. Sa sakit ng ulo o lagnat, Biogesic agad. Alagang yung nilabyan. Paracetamol is a generic name of Biogesic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.